Yo, what's going on, guys? Coach Frank here in downtown Nashville for the week, and I just stepped out of an event that I'm at. And I want to ask you a question today. The question I want to ask you is your environment keeping you addicted to pornography? Think about it. The environment that you've created in your life, the environment that you live in, the environment that you work in, the environment from the people that you spend time with, the environment from the people that you invest in, the people that you allow to speak into you. Are they lifting you up? Are they advancing you in life? Are they evolving and growing with you? Are they challenging you to become a better version, the best possible version of yourself? Or are they maybe limiting your growth? Are they maybe limiting your own progress? Are they maybe limiting what you believe you're capable in this world? So guys, that's what I want to talk to you a little bit about here today. But before we do that, guys, let me just quickly remind you who we are and what it is we're doing here. My name is Coach Frank, CEO, founder, and head coach at Rebuilt Recovery. It is our mission to help men become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding their lives in 90 days. And if you want to know how we've been doing that for the last 2 years and have helped over 2,500 men begin to live and experience a porn-free life, then check out our free ebook. It's the 7-step guide to living life without porn. I want to walk you through the process and system that we have used with over 2,500 men to help them take back control of their lives, kick the habit with porn, reboot and rewire their brain so that they can ultimately step into life that they all know they were created to live. But guys, your environment, what is it doing in your life? What is it challenging you to become? Who is it challenging you to become? Is it questioning and forcing you to level up? Many of you know my story, and for those of you that don't, back in February of 2019, for the first time in my life, I looked myself in the mirror and I said, you know what, Frank? You're a fraud. You're a liar. And it was that day that changed the entire trajectory of my life. But it was the months and years leading up to that day that enabled me to make that decision. It enabled me to stay clean of porn, 100% porn free for the last 3+ years. The decisions that I had made, the choices, the rooms that I was very intentional about getting myself into. Guys, I'm here this week challenging myself. I'm at an event, conference, learning, growing, leveling up. That's a lot of money to be. I invest a lot of money in coaches and mentors. Sometimes I challenge you guys to invest in yourself. But this is something I've been doing since 2015. You know, a lot of times you guys see these videos and you see these books saying behind me. Those aren't for show. I've been studying personal development. I've been studying human performance. I've been studying greatness, chasing greatness for almost 2 decades. While I was caught up in an addictive behavior with porn, I was ingesting into my brain and into my mind positivity, growth. I was investing into getting into the right rooms, being around the right people, investing into the right relationships. And it was through those relationships, it was through those environments, it was through the intentionality at which I was living my life that when I made a choice and decision, I knew who I needed to be. I knew who I needed to become because those were the men that I was already around. So I want to ask you right now, who in your life is leveling you up? Who in your life is challenging you to be more? Who in your life, if you went to them and you said, hey man, I got this behavior in my life right now, this habit that I'm not really proud of, and I want to change it. I want to get this out of my life. I want to level up and become the man that God created me to be. If you took that to your friends right now, what would they say? Would they laugh? Say, come on, bro. Everybody looks at porn. It's no big deal. There's nothing wrong with it. Just be a man. Come on, bro. It feels good. Oh, after a long day, you need to get that stress release. Would that be their reaction? Or would they say, hey man, I get that. That was me too. That was where I was. And I want you to know that I'm proud of you. for this decision that you're making. And I want you to know that whatever you need from me, I'm gonna give it to you. Because I want this in your life just as much as you want it in your life. That's what I talk about when I talk about environments. Yeah, your environment at home needs to be clean, needs to be organized. I believe a messy home is the product of a messy mind. You know, never overcoming a compulsive and addictive behavior with a messy mind. So that's one part, sorry about that, that's one part of your environment. But what I really want you to spend some time on thinking about is the environment of the circle of influence that is in your life right now. Are they challenging you? Are they inspiring you? Are they supporting you? Are they forcing you to level up? To get better? To become complete? To become the man in this world that you were created to be? Think about it, guys. Is your environment keeping you addicted to porn? I sure hope it isn't. Really, really hope it isn't. So man, as you leave here, this video today, if you got value out of this, make sure to just hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. But I want to extend an invitation. Come join our environment. Come join our group. Come join what we're all about here at Rebuild Recovery. So down there in the description box, there's a link to our Facebook group. It's absolutely free. Just come and be a part of it, man. Check it out. But I love you guys. Think about your environment. Think about the people that you're investing in. Think about the people that are speaking in and over you. I love you guys. Frank Rich, Rebuild Recovery. See you on the other side.